Today we will start a new topic, that is the heating effect of electric current or thermal effect of current. We know when in a conductor current is passed, it becomes hot. This phenomenon is known as the heating effect of current. Now, what is the cause of heating effect? All of you know, heat will be generated due to friction, and here friction is created due to the collision of electrons. So we will say this battery supply kinetic energy to the free electron. So when these electrons move, they collide with the neighboring electrons or positive ion of the lattice, in which in this way some part of this kinetic energy is loses and heat is produced. We will not say that all part is converting into heat. Some part is converting into heat. Okay. Now I will discuss the concept. Now I will discuss the concept of electrical energy. What I want to say you. Suppose we consider a source of EMF E, which is shown in the diagram. It is connected to a load AB. Now if anywhere the word load is written in the physics, it may be resistor, it may be battery, and it may be motor, or etc. like this. So again I am repeating you. Load may be resistor, may be battery, may be motor, and other devices also. Suppose I say there is a potential difference across the load. One end is positive, another end is negative, and current I is flowing in the circuit from A to B as shown in the diagram. Now tell me, if I say there is a steady current I in the circuit as I have shown in the diagram, like this. Tell me quantity of charge which is entering at terminal A in time delta t. You will say steady current is I, time delta t, you can say delta q can be written as I delta t, and you will say same amount of the charge will leave the terminal B. Okay. Now you tell me change in potential energy of charge delta q passing through the load. Let me write here. Change in potential energy of charge delta q passing through the load. All of you know change in potential energy written as final energy minus initial energy. Okay. You will say finally the charge delta q at the potential B, initially charge delta q at potential A. Okay. So you can say this delta U can be written as VB minus VA into delta Q, like this. And what is delta Q? We write the value VB minus VA I delta T. Okay. Now in general what I will say, so you will say in general electric energy can be written as, this is VB minus VA is the potential difference V, this is I, and this is T. I hope this expression is clear to you. This is a general expression for electric energy. Now I am discussing three cases here. Suppose I say first case, when VA is greater than VB, then what you conclude? When I say VA is greater than VB, you come to this formula. What you will say? Delta U is negative. I can write here delta U in this situation is negative. Negative means charge delta Q will lose potential energy in going through the load AB. Okay, so there is an energy input by the charge to the portion AB of the circuit. So AB will behave as a resistor, and this loss in potential energy will appear as the heat energy in the resistor. It is clear? Again I am telling you, in this situation delta U is negative, and where delta U is negative, it means definitely there is loss in energy, and that loss in potential energy is converting into heat. So this load can be resistor. But if I say this VA is less than VB, come to again this formula, what you will say? Delta U is positive. Is it okay? Mean charge will gain the potential energy in going through the load AB. Is it clear? It means this load AB is behaving like a battery. Okay, and the potential energy which it is gaining, that is by the chemical energy of the battery. So I hope it is clear to all of you. What you will think when delta U negative, what you will think when delta U positive. You can understand where the load is connected in the circuit and where the battery or cell is connected in the circuit. Is it okay? Okay. So all of you just read it, whatever I have discussed. You just pause the video and see all the slides. First case and then finally second case. Okay.